Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best stripped bolt wrench is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, designed to tackle those frustratingly stubborn bolts that regular wrenches just can't budge, saving you time and preventing damage to your projects. Number 5. Topec 13 Plus 1-Piece Impact Bolt and Nut Remover Set. Experience superior torque with our unique plum-shaped internal thread design. It provides an exceptionally tight grip, ensuring it won't slip or break, even on stubborn fasteners. This comprehensive set includes both SAE and metric sizes, from 8mm to 19mm, plus a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable gift box for easy transport. Say goodbye to damaged, rusted, or rounded-off bolts and nuts. This tool is designed to effortlessly remove even the most stubborn fasteners, making your repair jobs a breeze. Each extractor features a black oxidized surface with anti-rust oil. This advanced process ensures superior wear resistance and longevity, preventing rust even after extended use. Topec is a leading brand in extractor tools, trusted by professionals. We stand behind our products, offering dedicated after-sales support to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This set offers a unique plum-shaped internal thread design that provides excellent torque and a super tight grip. If you're dealing with stubborn nuts that tend to slip or break, this is the tool for you. Its advanced coating also ensures it resists rust, making it a durable choice for tough jobs. What people say. The wrench is designed to strip bolts, and it does its job effectively. It's a handy tool for removing stripped bolts when other methods fail. Number 4. THINKWORK Bolt Extractor Kit. Introducing the THINKWORK Bolt Extractor Kit, your ultimate solution for removing stubborn bolts. This 18-piece set is designed to tackle even the most damaged, rusted, or rounded-off fasteners with ease. Crafted from high-hardness chrome-molybdenum steel, this set ensures superior durability and a longer lifespan. It's built to withstand tough jobs and deliver reliable performance every time. The internal reverse spiral flutes are engineered to bite down firmly, providing maximum gripping power. The harder you turn, the tighter it grips, ensuring a secure hold on stripped bolts. With a standard 3/8-inch square drive and hex adapter, it's compatible with a wide range of tools. Use it with your hand, air, or power tools for ultimate convenience and flexibility. This comprehensive set includes 18 pieces, covering a wide range of sizes from 1/4-inch to 3/4-inch, 19mm. It also includes a handy hex adapter and knockout pin for added utility. Everything is neatly organized in a heavy-duty blow-molded case. This makes storage simple and ensures easy portability, so you can take it wherever the job takes you. What we like. Constructed from high-hardness chrome-molybdenum steel, this kit is built for superior durability. The reverse spiral flutes are designed to bite down for maximum gripping power, ensuring it won't slip. If you need a reliable set that works with various hand, air, or power tools, this is an excellent option. What people say. The wrench has a good grip and is easy to use. It is made of durable material and feels sturdy. The compact size makes it convenient for storage and carrying. Number 3. 15-piece Bolt Extractor Kit. This professional-grade kit is designed to instantly remove stripped, rusted, or rounded bolts and nuts. Its unique reverse spiral design ensures maximum grip, preventing slippage with any tool. Crafted from durable chrome-moly steel, this set is built to last. It has been rigorously tested on even the most stubborn seized bolts. With 15 essential SAE and metric sizes included, you'll have the right tool for any job. This comprehensive set covers all your needs. Its specialized roundhead design excels in tight spaces where traditional sockets can't reach. It even comes with a bonus knockout rod and adapters for added versatility. Keep your tools secure and ready for action with the heavy-duty case. It's perfect for automotive, HVAC, or any DIY emergency. What we like. This kit is engineered for pro-grade extraction, featuring a reverse Torex design for maximum grip without slippage. Its full metal jacket construction from chrome-moly steel ensures it can handle the toughest seized fasteners. If you often work in confined spaces like wheel wells or machinery, its roundhead design is a standout feature. What people say. The extractor socket that I used showed no deforming in shape or any damage that I could see. These extractors were exactly what I needed, and they worked perfectly. This set has so many sizes that you can choose the size for how bad the head is rounded. Number 2. Topec 36 PCS Screw and Bolt Extractor Kit. Introducing the Topec 36P Screw and Bolt Extractor Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle even the most stubborn fasteners with ease. This versatile tool features 3 distinct extraction methods: bolt extractors, multi-spline screw extractors, and spiral flute extractors. It covers both SAE and metric sizes for maximum compatibility. Its aggressive left-hand spiral and multi-spline design ensure a tight grip, allowing for quick and easy removal of broken, stripped, or rounded-off screws and bolts. With a standard 3/8-inch square drive, it seamlessly connects to various hand and power tools, including impact wrenches and ratchets, for versatile application. Constructed from high-hardness chromolybdenum steel with a phosphate coating, this set is built for lifetime durability and resistance to wear. Everything is neatly organized in a rugged carry case, making it highly portable for mechanical, automotive, or home repairs. It's ready to serve you for years to come. What we like. This versatile 3-in-1 set offers bolt extractor sockets, multi-spline screw extractors, and spiral flute screw extractors for a wide range of damaged fasteners. Its aggressive left-hand spiral design ensures a superior grip for easy removal. If you need a comprehensive solution for mechanical, automotive, or home repairs, this heavy-duty kit covers all your bases. What people say. The wrench is well made and feels sturdy in hand. It fits snugly onto the bolts and provides excellent grip. The compact design makes it easy to store and carry around. Number 1. Powerbuilt Zeon Series 9PC SAE Hex Key Wrench Set. Introducing the Powerbuilt Zeon Series Hex Key Wrench Set. This set is designed to tackle damaged, rusted, and rounded hex head bolts with ease. It can remove up to 85% rounded hex head bolts, saving you time and frustration. It works just as well on new fasteners too. This comprehensive 9-piece SAE set includes all the essential sizes from 1/16 to 3/8 inch. The extra-long handles provide superior reach and increased torque for those tough jobs. Crafted from premium SNCMV steel with a sleek satin finish, these wrenches are built for durability and performance. What we like. This set is specifically designed to tackle damaged, rusted, and rounded hex head bolts, even those up to 85% rounded. The extra-long handles provide superior reach and torque, making tough jobs easier. If you frequently encounter SAE hex fasteners and need enhanced leverage, this wrench set is the perfect tool for the job. What people say. This wrench is a game-changer for stripped bolts. It works on bolts that other tools can't touch. The design is clever and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.